Dear children, in this module we are going to discuss another example to concatenate two data frames with the ignore index as true. Look at the same thing, I had included only ignore index equal to true. Only that portion is changed, that is the 8th line I had changed with the ignore index equals true. What is the default value for index? Ignore index, it will be false. But I had tried here true. So what is happening here is, if you want the row labels to adjust automatically according to the joins, you will have to set the argument in ignore index as true while calling the concat function. What they are saying, if you are interested to know the indexing in a sequential manner, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till the end, it has to be n-1, isn't it? So in the previous example, how will be the indexing? In the first dictionary, it will display as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second dictionary, it will display as again 0, 1, 2, 3. Instead of that, if we want in the sequential manner, we have to set the ignore index as true. So it will display the third dictionary as a concatenated form, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till n-1. So my dear children, I will repeat. If you want the row labels to adjust automatically, row labels is what? Index, row index. According to the join, you will have to set the argument ignore index as true while you are calling the concatenation function. I think you are all clear about how to use ignore index as true. Look at the next one. Merge operation. Here we are going to discuss how to merge two data frame. Here I had used merge equals. Merge equals, again I had created a dictionary df data1 colon df1 comma df2, that is data2. My dear children, merge is nothing but a dictionary. Data1 is the key, df1 is the value. df1 is nothing but a data frame. df3 will be concatenate merge. So how the datas will be included? Panda provide with an option to label the data frame. How to label? After the concatenation with the key, so that you may know which data come from which data frame. So my dear children, look at the first index, they had given us data 1. Look at the second dictionary's index, that is data 2. So it is easy to know from which data frame the data came. So data 1 means what? Data frame 1. Data 2 means data frame 2. So it is easy to know if you are creating a data frame dictionary as a merge. Then you are concatenating the merge. So within that we are having two data frames. So my dear children, once again I am repeating, Pandas also provides with an option to label the data frames after the concatenation with a key, so that you may know which data came from which data type. Sorry, which data frame. So my dear children, be aware about how to do or how to create a dictionary with a data frame. We can also create a dictionary with a data frame. That also I had included in the particular example. So in the line number 8, I had created a dictionary with the data frame. Let me discuss the next thing in the next module. Thank you.